Okay, everyone, whenever you are in my house, never ever tamper with my fire alarm. That is a big no-no. You better respect my property when you are in my house. Let's just say you are coming in my house. You break in my house and you play with the light switches on the wall. You take the light fixtures off the ceiling. You take the bulbs out of them. You take the globe out of them. You change the speed or the direction on the ceiling fans. You flip the blades around. Or you take the blades off of them. You take my wireless lights off the wall. You play with the button on them. And you take the batteries out of them. Also, if you take the lampshade out of my lamp, you play with the switch on it, and you take the bulb out of it, you are tampering with my lights, and you don't do that. Also, if I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling, and you take it off the wall or the ceiling, that is tampering with my fire alarm, and you don't do that. Bye.